What's going on, guys? We are continuing our progress on Trevor's roll cage. So he actually just sent me some pictures last night, and he actually got the red MR2 painted. So he's not done with all of the little trim pieces like the door handles and like all the stuff he unbolted from the car, but like the main body panels are completely painted and done. So he is getting very close on being done with the red MR2, and I am actually very close with being done with his roll cage. So we got some stuff done just a little bit ago, and it is getting really close to being completed. So as you can see right here, we have these two bars that run along to either side on the main hoop right there, and then we have these two D bars in place, and then this upper bar is for the harness bar to strap your seatbelts to, and then we also got these two back bars right here, ran all the way to the back to that bar that we tacked to both shock towers, and everything is in place right now. This floor plate right here is actually welded down, and that side is tacked into place because I was getting the gaps even on each side. This side had a little bit of a tighter gap right here than that side did, so I tacked this side down to that floor plate where I wanted it to be, measured the difference, and then there was actually a little gap on this pipe right here, and then we used this ratchet strap down here to kind of suck it over where it needed to be, so now everything is nice and even. So now that that side was tacked down, it didn't move, so we just kind of shifted it over. Now this side is ready to be tacked down into place to that floor plate. But yeah, we are getting very close. So right now all that needs to get done is final welding on everything that you see in the car right now. And then once everything's fully welded up, we can go ahead and make the door bars to connect from about right up here down to this guy underneath the dash. And then we will be done with the roll cage.
Practice this a few times, get at least like one spin.
Think you can do it?
We gotta learn, right? We're gonna do this.
Brent's convinced he can do a windmill.
That was the right position.
You gonna try it too, Tom?
Absolutely. We're gonna learn this. We're gonna learn this.
Roll to our shoulders.
Yeah, kind of lift yourself up and put your weight on that elbow and drop. I tried to learn it, I couldn't do it. I spent about 2 hours trying it, and then my back started to hurt. I was doing it on the floor in my house.
Roman's gonna do it. No, I got too much weight on these bones. You're gonna show your wife the new move, and she's gonna be like, oh baby, I love you. Check out these new moves. Look, check what I learned for you.
So that you roll down onto your upper shoulder.
I think we gotta learn it for everybody.
Yes.
We gotta have a dance battle.
We have to. Like, fling your legs. I don't know if that's it. I don't know what I'm doing.
We got our little break dance pad.
Get the break dance pad out.
You're
I'm watching you trying to learn.
It looks so easy on this little video.
Continuing it on and on and on.
We just gotta practice for like half an hour a day, and we'll get it.
This one goes through, roll, and now you're gonna pop.
Woo! There. That's kind of it, though.
That's what it is, but way smoother.
I feel like.
Yeah, you can't throw that one leg. Just like,
You got that fancy footwork. Oh. We here at Boostedboiz compound, we help each other break dance.
When you start running up to it, you feel like you could just bust it out.
I feel like we could go. That was close. You gotta get the arm under.
Oh!
Hey! That was pretty close.
Let's see it, Emilio.
Bro,
You've been missing out on the lessons.
my neck already hurts.
You don't need your neck for this.
Oh, alright, here, hold my neck.
He'll just bust it out, watch. I'm already feeling it, bro.
Here, let me go. Oh, shit, the old man went down.
Hold on. Is he gonna do the work?
Come on, what are you doing? I can do one brick then. Who won?
Oh! Tom's getting
What?
it.
Where you at?
Oh, there he is.
Oh, you can do it. See, I told you. I told you you'd be able to do it. Hey, I told you. I told you, from Florida, these guys do it. You need to get that.
Get that push off.
It looks good if you edit like just the first part of it.
Tom ain't messing around. He just went to Home Depot and got us some mats. He's building us a whole dance floor. Yeah, they're duct taping it together. Look, backside's like the fake looking hardwood. Woo! There's our dance floor.
There it is. Test it out, It's good? Welding.
That's crazy.
You don't know how to windmill yet, bro?
The what? No, I can't windmill quite yet. I'm pretty bruised up, honestly.
Yeah, my wrist is killing me. He's got the biggest bruise on his back, he was saying.
My bicep is broken.
Your bicep
Yeah,
is
my
good.
back is pretty messed up from that.
Oh, man.
I got a big bruise.
It was a good time.
This is sick, though. Roman is working the pedal while Kyle welds. If that's not teamwork, I don't know what is. That's crazy. That's the first time I've ever seen that, and it's working good.
It works good.
Nice.
Emilio's been working on his Supra the last couple days. Had some issues with it, but finally
I think she's
figured
ready.
her out.
I think she's ready for a test drive. So last time we were working on it, we had to switch the rear cam sensor to the front. So all I had to do is just change the timing cover, put a new sensor on it, and extend the wires. And now she's running a lot better. So I think we're ready to take it for a test drive.
Got the top off.
Yeah, I took the top off because, you know, it's a nice day, nice and hot out.
Yeah, got ready to
It's been a
go.
while since I took that top off, man. It's been over a year, bro. At least.
Hell yeah. See how she rides.
So right now we got a Holly in there, so we have it on self-learning. So as we're driving it, I'm not gonna get on it or anything, but it'll self-learn and like adjust the tables as needed.
Goes right in. That throttle's getting stuck open. All right, Emilio found out the throttle issue. There was a shop towel.
Yeah, it's like a tiny piece of a shop towel stuck like right where the butterfly is. It must have been like in the boost piping or something. Honestly, don't know where it came from, but
got it cleaned out.
yeah,
so.
I took it out and the throttle body shut all the way, and then like the flat feels fine now.
So now I just got to adjust the idle real quick, and we're gonna go
adjust that, and now we can go take it on a real drive.
cruise, yeah, without the throttle being all
It was a pain
dumb.
because it was like trying to rev up to like 4 or 5, like it was just getting stuck. Now it's fine.
This should be good.
we got the throttle figured out on the Supra, and we're gonna be taking it for a cruise along with the Grinch. I'm just gonna go down to the car wash or something and just let the cars get some sunlight. So we're gonna head out.
Made it to the car wash.
We made it to the car wash. Grinch made it as well. Just gonna clean them off real quick and head on back. We're just making sure that the car is running right, and she seems to be cruising great. So now the only thing left for the Supra will be to get her on the dyno and get this thing tuned. Emilio did also put this thing on E85 today. So yeah, pretty exciting. It's finally back up and going.
I guess.
Dang, they're both running at the same time.
That's wild. Imagine that day that we're gonna have all the cars running at one time.
I don't think I'll ever wake up from that dream.
I'm dreaming about it.
Well guys, I've spent most of my day doing nothing but welding on Trevor's roll cage. So much welding goes into these, and I just talked to Trevor and he got all of the small parts painted on the MR2 last night as well. So he's really close on getting the MR2 done, but he is actually going to Texas for about a week, and I'm thinking we're not gonna get the cars back, you know, traded with each other until he is done with that. I still do have to get the door bars done on this as well. I was gonna try to do it in this video, but just ran out of time. We literally calculated it up. There's like 26 joints, and we didn't figure, but we found out that the circumference of the chromoly is about 5 inches, and some of them are ovalized, so some of that's gonna be even more. So, you know, 26 joints, you know, times 5, and then we also have the floor plates that are 6 by 6, and we have 6 of those. We figured there's at least solid 20 feet of welding, and it's all out of position, cramped, tight corners. So yeah, spent a lot of hours just welding this thing, but I think it is coming out really awesome. So first thing tomorrow morning, I'll go ahead and get the door bars done, and I need to put the seats in here and just make sure that they'll clear good. But everything is all ready to go. Main hoop is completely done, D-bars, the back bar is going back, all the floor plates are completely welded and done. So Trevor Civic is about to be able to go a lot faster at the track. They won't kick him out, and he'll be safe. But yeah, just gotta get those door bars done. She'll be ready to go. And yeah, that's about it. Emilio got his Supra running today as well, so he's ready to throw that on the dyno here very soon. And then Roman took his car out today as well. We just went for a cruise. We tried to learn how to break dance. That didn't go so well.
We're all hurt in different places.
Yeah, my back has a huge bruise. Can you show my back? Is it still like pretty bad?
It's terrible.
Yeah.
You're a hardcore b-boy, dog.
What is it? Lift my shirt up.
Bro. Oh my god.
Bro, I committed to it.
That's so bad.
I ain't done. I'm gonna, once that wears off, I'm gonna try to work. I'm gonna learn that windmill.
Yeah.
I'm just beat right
I think
now.
you'll be the first one, bro, because I can't, my body can't take it.
I was committed. I'm gonna do it. I wanna know how to windmill. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.
Oh.